What's up, homies? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're hitting up Lizard Island.
I know we've seen better days. Life is just a game we play. You hold tight to the world you know. The hardest part is letting go. Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb. I know somewhere that you and I we can stay. Why?
So it's been a couple hours since we got to Lizard Island and the tide's dropped down heaps. That's why the boat is pretty much on land at the moment. I've made friends with this boat called Footprints, and Tilly and Mark are hopefully going to take us to a beach on that side of the island where we'll get some fresh coconuts. So we're going to go do that now.
Wake up, don't miss your chance. Take off, get lost again. Young enough to change our love. Laugh it off when times get tough. Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb. I know somewhere that you and we can stay. Why? We can stay. Why? We can stay. Why? We can stay. Why? Away we go, away we go. Don't think twice. Away we go, away we go. No, don't think twice. Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like.
Alright, so we just spent a bit of time at Coconut Beach at Lizard Island collecting a bunch of coconuts because we've run low on fresh fruit. And
We'll be heading back soon.
yeah, I guess on to the next adventure. Let's go!
I was like, I wasn't sure where you're going. I thought you were like, let's go!
Alright, let's go. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Maybe we just steal someone's life raft and use that as a dinghy.
Just got two on the front.
So a good way of opening a coconut when it's just a nut is you use the back of your machete, smack it all the way around, and you usually should have a pretty clean crack. So we're going to attempt making coconut dumplings. Fingers crossed it goes well. Alright, so we've got one entire grated coconut, 2 cups of self-raising flour, 1 dessert spoon of sugar, 1.5 dessert spoons of sugar. And mix that bad boy all together. Ooh wee, there's gee whiz. Wow, that smells good. And you get your coconut milk, just enough to make it doughy. Mix that bad boy all together.
Oh, you sick fuck.
Now for the secret recipe. You reckon that'll be funny?
No one thinks you're funny.
You reckon people will laugh at that?
No one thinks you're funny.
I reckon
No
it's
one
funny.
laughs at you. They only laugh at you.
I reckon it'll be funny. I reckon people will like it. Perfect. Alright, you want to get your coconut dumplings, put them into a little ball like so. Make sure your water's boiling and plop them in. Yeah. Nice, that's how you want them. Alright, dunsies. Now we'll give it a little taste test. Oh.
Gimme.
You reckon?
Tastes like shit. No, that's yummy.
That's good.
That's good shit.
Yeah, it's yum, mate. It's even vegan friendly for all you sailors out there that are
Don't like
vegan.
eating cows.
Don't like eating fish. Eat some coconut dumplings. Get that up here. Alright, so we're halfway through our coconut dumplings. I think the plan is now we're going to go for a swim and a hike with the others.
Lord takes me home tomorrow, then I can rest and know that it's all in His hands. Sing hallelujah, 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 amen. When you are weary and you're far from home, when nothing's going how it's supposed to go, no, you're not walking through this valley alone. Just hold on, just hold on, just hold on. Sing hallelujah for the good times, hallelujah for the bad. I am thankful for the heartbreak, because I know it just won't last. If the good Lord takes me home tomorrow, then I can rest and know that it's all in His hands. Sing hallelujah, hallelujah.
The bar on Lizard Island is currently closed, so we've decided to make our own bar right on the beach. Was that close?
Yeah.